Hey guys, I'm Britt and today I want to show you our modified UniView camera junction boxes. We've designed these with you in mind. We've cut extra spots into them so that you can screw this product directly into a conduit box. Now I'm sure you know what this is, but in case you don't, this is a conduit box. It's used most of the time to conceal electrical wires when installing inside a concrete slab. So for example, the network cable you would need in order to install a UniView security camera. The benefit of our product is that it does reduce installation time. You can connect the camera junction box directly to the conduit box without a drill, and you can coil any excess cable on the inside of the junction box. Let me pop them together so I can show you what it looks like. And that's how simple it is. There are currently 8 UniView camera junction boxes with our design available. To find out which one goes with what camera series, contact your local store for more information. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.